Of many unsigned bills waiting for Governor Kathy Hochul's signature of denial or approval, one measure could legalize physician-assisted suicide in New York.
This is a very challenging moral question for individuals.
Now, Hochul is considering editing the bill that passed quietly last spring by the state legislature. Details confirmed by New York One include requiring terminally ill patients to videotape themselves asking for the life-ending prescriptions, mandate a psychiatric evaluation, and ensure it's only available to New York State residents.
I'm not discussing bills that are still being negotiated.
Backed by the State Bar Association, and Corinne Carey from the advocacy group Compassion and Choices, who said in a statement she's against any changes, adding, quote, New Yorkers should not be forced to suffer needlessly at the end of their lives. We remain confident that we can reach language that honors compassion, protects bodily autonomy, and reflects the strongest evidence available. New Yorkers deserve nothing less.
That is why I've taken the time and am treating this very seriously, because I know there's very heartfelt, strong emotions on both sides of the debate.
If signed into law, mentally competent, terminally ill adults with 6 months or less to live could request the medication. Witnesses, not related to the patient, who don't stand to benefit from an inheritance following their death, would need to be present. And 2 doctors must sign off.
We have to continue to give a positive witness, be prophetic voices.
Opposed by the Catholic Church, medical and disabilities rights groups, some held a rally against the bill outside Hochul's Manhattan office on Thursday.
The governor has had tremendous work in suicide prevention, and signing a bill like this that puts our most vulnerable neighbors in danger of being abandoned by their doctors is counter to everything that Governor Hochul has been doing.
Arguing the proposal presents a slippery slope.
Whether you can't afford it or you can't access the treatment for it, it can become terminal. If you don't manage your diabetes, that can be a terminal condition.
Pointing to data from Oregon, where the law has been on the books for decades.
For reasons of disability and not wanting to be a burden on their loved ones. For able-bodied people going into their doctor and saying they feel like a burden, they would receive appropriate mental health interventions.
If Hochul approves the bill, New York would join 11 other states and Washington, D.C. Bernadette Hogan, New York One.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage, and click the subscribe button right here. You can also download our app or watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.